This 2025 Venture RV SportTrek ST332 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features a chocolate interior, sleeps 11, skylight, auxiliary battery, microwave, stovetop burner, oven, air conditioning, slide-out, spare tire kit, water heater, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV SportTrek ST332 VBH is 8,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.